Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be fixing up this wig that I received. It's from WOWEBONY. This is the box. Let me show you guys. So this is the box. And let me just show you what comes inside before I get started. You know, because I really do need to fix this unit. You see how crazy it's looking on me. And it's the left side. And I don't like to wear my parting space on the left side because it's just not my good side. So I'm going to fix it up and show you guys exactly how I do it. But let me show you what's in the box. So you have this hair scarf. It's really pretty. Let me take it out so you guys can really see. This is my first time, like, you know, getting a wig that has a hair scarf inside. It has horses on it. And the colors are really nice. And it's really big. So yeah, if you like to wear your hair in like a, wear your scarves in like a turban, you can do that. All right, so you get an elastic strap if you need to like make the wig tighter, but this does come with adjustable straps in the back, so I'm not going to need that. You also get some wig caps, 2 in the pack, and they have a book, like, of all of their units. You know, the models. So yeah, on the front it's just, you know, about the company. And these are the wigs. Oh, that's really pretty. So you just have a bunch of styles, different units that you can pick from. And I also have a repair service. So yeah, you just have, you know, some really good information in the book and pictures. Alright, so this is the unit, guys, straight out of the box. I didn't do anything to it. It came as a left side part, but like I said, I don't like to wear my parts on the left side. I like to do a right side. And what's so great about this wig is you have so much lace in the front. It's like, I believe this is a 4x4. So you have all of this lace. You can do a middle part. You can do a right part. You can just part it anywhere within this area. You know, most like wigs don't come with that much lace, especially the synthetic wigs. It's like a fixed part. But with this one, you can play around with it. So that's really good. You have more than enough hair to play around with. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and part it on the right side and bring this hair over. Now, because the unit came as a left side and it was pretty much fixed on the left side, I'm going to have to go in and flatten the top out. So you see, like, I'm putting it on the right side. You cannot even see the parting space. But yeah, let me go ahead and put it where I want it. So about there, that looks pretty good. It has a lot of short hairs, like, throughout the top part as well. Not too crazy about that, but I can just, you know, use some heat to lay it down. And I see I'm gonna have to go in and tweeze it as well, but what I'm gonna do now is take some water and spray it down right here. I'm gonna put it on my wig head because I'm gonna have to put a scarf on it. All right, so I have it on the foam head. Let me go ahead and fix the part before I spray it down. I like to curve my parts instead of just have it going straight back. I like to give it a curve. I think it looks so cute like that. All right, so I'm gonna spray it down now. Okay, just at the top. And then I'm just gonna take the brush and, you know, brush it down. Make sure I keep it formed. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on it, or you can use a scarf, but I like the wig cap. I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna leave it for a few hours. And this unit is the pre-plucked 360 lace wig, Yaki straight hair. And this is Brazilian virgin hair, so it's really pretty. And this is optional, guys, as far as, you know, tweezing. You don't have to tweeze it. It's not like it's so tight that you cannot see the parting space, but I just like to open it up a tad bit more. But you don't have to do this. I'm just extra. I'm being extra right now. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I'm just going to make this parting space look more realistic. I like to take some black eyeshadow and bring it right here. Let me zoom in some so you can see. I like to add some powder right on my hairline and where the lace starts so that it can, you know, flow and look more realistic. You don't want to see your hairline and then, you know, the lace. I don't want it to be so obvious. So I'm just going to add some powder here and bring it on this side as well. But not much. You see, starting to look better. And then I like to take my face powder and put it inside of the parting space so that it can look more like my skin tone. You see? It's a really easy to do, really easy way to just make these wigs look more realistic. Because I really do not like to glue wigs down. I really don't. And I had to, you know, take the adjustable straps in the back and cross them to make this wig tighter so that the lace could lay down. Because I was like, I am not gluing this wig down. I'm going to do what I have to do to make it lay as flat as possible. But you see how it looks so much better. I love it. And I didn't put any products on this unit and it still looks really good. I like for it to have like that natural luster. I don't want it to be too shiny, but I just want to put some heat on the ends. Kind of bump it in some. Because you really don't need to like really straighten the unit. It's already a straight unit. But if you wanted to give it some curls, then yeah, but I'm not doing that. I'm just bumping the ends some. But yeah, guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I am definitely loving this unit. It's just going to be a great everyday kind of unit. Something easy to just maintain. You don't have to worry about it tangling like crazy because it's short. And it just feels so soft. No shedding. No shedding at all, guys. And yeah. Okay. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did, and also if you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.